Okay, so here I am in Waitrose again, and doing some daddy daycare. And something that I do quite a lot is called an NG sound. I'm going to do actually much deeper explanation about what this is in a proper video on the YouTube channel, so check that out. But it's basically, the shape is the end of the word singing, so singing, the tongue forward, and I use that as a way just to go through the range, through the voices, through the mixes of the voices. So for instance, I'll start really light in a head voice like this. Really, really light. Quite a lot of energy going on, but really light and just soft sound. Up and down gradually. You can also do it as a siren, so like a police or ambulance siren. In this country anyway, I'm not sure whether it's going to work in the States, but like that. See you next time.